good, man? It's your boy UC San, aka UC. My cousin right here. We got me on the same. Over here, 4th of July. It's out here popping, man. We over here doing it big, man. We in Whitehall. It's all the way down there, bro. We all come on now. I'm with the fan right now, man. Like, come on now. What's up? Like, what up with that,
bro,
man?
What is that green, white, and red? That's that.
What's good? Like, come on, y'all.
Sound like that machine gun.
What's good, man? So it was popping over there. So yeah, they down there. And I apologize for yesterday because I said I was gonna upload a GTA video. Look, it's popping down there, but they're not popping. So you know, tonight I'm gonna upload a video, man. You know it's good, man. I got cuz right here, bro. You can't even see him because it's too dark, man. It's too dark out here, bro. So you know we got here popping different flowers everywhere, bro. I can't see nothing, bro. Oh, look at that. Out here popping, bro. You can check on my friend's page, my friend's YouTube channel, Sheen Gaming. Once again, Sheen Gaming. He said he's supposed to upload a video of the fireworks. I don't know if he is, but he told me. Yeah. So yeah, it'll come up after this video, man. We got her popping. So, bro. So yeah, man, we over here popping, bro. Oh. I might go across the street, bro. We got cars everywhere, bro. Oh, look, down there, look. Over there too, like, come on now. Alright, break your neck and all that just to look for a firework, bro. I'm over here breaking my neck. Turn it this way and that way, this way and that way. Like, come on now.
I hope it be turned down here, because west of it was all the way turned down. It was all the way turned down.
My cuz, he making a video. So, oh yeah, go ahead, pop him. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Yeah, do this.
Dang, bro, this sound like a bomb, bro. It sound like a nuke. No, I got the rollie on me, bro. I had to do it. You know, got the Jordan 6s.
Right here,
New cuffed up. You know, I have to bring them out for, man. But, man. It is my cousin. You could look him up after this video. Shabalino, baby. You could look him up after this video, man. I think he's supposed to upload a video. So man, I gotta keep my subscribers, you know, that upload it. You know how we do. Oh my god! Oh my goodness, man! Wow. Oh, bang! Pop! Oh, hold up! Dang, bro, hold up. They down there too? Hold up. Oh, no, they ain't down there. But that big drop. Let that big drop, man. You know how we rock, man.
FL out here.
Bro, these the ghetto kids, bro. Come on, that's the ghetto-ness. They over here stop, and they, oh yeah, that's that ghetto-ness. Come on now. Oh my, that's that ghetto-ness, bro.
OTF right here,
It's that ghetto. That ghetto, man. Oh, hold up. Look, they popping over here too. Look, hold up. I have to do it. Bro, they over here popping back there too. They only did it like a couple times. Hold on. Oh, let that beat drop, nigga. You know how we rock, nigga. Bro, these are super ghetto kids, bro. I thought they was about to have the fireworks behind the school, though. Like, come on now. I'm over here on the curb. My new J's, bro. Like, come on now. Not to hit your sixes out here, bro. You know, that Jordan outfit, bro. I had to do them. Had to screw real quick. Bro, you can't even see them, bro.
Exactly,
man. I'll apologize for this, man. This video ain't even good for it, man. Can't even see the fireworks. That is the boring stuff.
Freaking tree, no freaking rain.
Like, come on, man. Can't even see them. The ghetto kids over there.
Ghetto white kids. should have dropped over the way over there.
No, you can't even see them.
Exactly.
I did this for y'all, man. I did this for my subscribers, man. I ain't do this for me. Bro, shut up.
You make kids.
You can't see him. Can you see him?
No.
Oh yeah. Bring him out.
Why they doing
Bring
that
him out.
green and red?
Bring him out.
Oh, yeah.
That's that big drop. Bring him out. Come on. Come on,
Make
big.
it go high, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Bring him out. Oh yeah. Can you see him?
Yeah.
Can you see me now? Oh yeah. Bro, my arms getting tired and all that. Oh, they got the smoke bombs out here, bro. Hold on, it's getting real.
Shoot.
They got the smoke.
Bombs,
It's getting real, bro.
man.
It's getting,
Right now, White Hole is that crazy.
Yeah, we in White Hall, bro. Oh, hold up, they getting crazy. We out here turn, bro. It's over here smoking, bro. We got everybody, bro. Oh my god, bro. Ah.
Man, they need to cut those trees. I can't
Bro,
see nothing,
hold up, they
bro.
out there popping too. What, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Bring him out, baby. Let's get it, man. Yeah, bring him out. Bring him out. Nah, don't stop. Yeah, come on, bring him out.
Make that.
Boom, bring him out. Boom.
Hey guys, would you mind either sitting down or staying right in front of our booth? Down front.
Fucking white people.
I know this nigga ain't got his door open. Hell nah, that nigga ghetto.